Whether you are signing up for Medicare for the first time or the fifth time, there are some important things you need to know. Not only is the enrollment period shorter, but things are constantly changing. So today we have Jason West. He's a regional pharmacy supervisor with Discount Drug Mart, here to help guide us. Good to have you, Jason.
Thank you.
All right, so we hear about Medicare open enrollment. What exactly is the significance of this time?
Well, the significance of this is it's the one time of year that those who are enrolled in Medicare can either change or switch plans. They can do it throughout the year, but there's unfortunately a penalty fee for that. So we want to take advantage of this particular time of year for the best benefit.
Okay, so what period of time does Medicare open enrollment span? Because I know this year it's shorter, so we need to let people know.
Yes, ma'am. It actually started on October 15th, and it goes through December 7th of this year.
Okay, so it's coming up. So how is it that Discount Drug Mart can help? I know you guys are a pharmacy, but how do you kind of go that extra mile for your customers?
We have the ability, with the help of the patient and the customer, to come in. If they provide us with a name, the medications that they're currently taking, we can do the research for them, prepare a comparison of plans, and give them some options to look for.
Which we know that drug prices are a big part of what people are looking for coverage, especially as they age and maybe are on more medications, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the advantages for a senior then to obtain a Medicare plan review at Discount Drug Mart?
Okay, so one, it gives us as the pharmacist the opportunity to maybe examine deeper the medications that the patient's taking. So when we run the comparisons will also give us whether the medication is going to be covered on the formulary, what options other than that medication we could possibly switch it to save the patient money, but also provide the same coverage and health.
And is there a charge for this?
Oh, there's absolutely no charge.
Good.
We welcome everyone into our stores, and you know, as the pharmacy profession, we want to help those.
And you obviously have a lot of customers, but what if somebody has not been in a Discount Drug Mart yet? Are they welcome to come in and receive this as well?
They are absolutely welcome. You know, this open enrollment period comes kind of hand in hand with cough and cold flu. So, you know, when you come in, if you're not an existing customer, we might ask you to provide a list of your medications. We might ask for your name, your telephone number, some personal information that, you know, sometimes kind of dicey to give out nowadays, but give us a couple of minutes and we'll get you that plan comparison, and we'll have the time to either call you back or sit down with you while you're in the store and go over it with you.
And so that brings up, does someone need to make an appointment? Would that be best, or can they just walk in and, like you said, you guys kind of gauge what your situation is? What
our situation is, probably the best thing to do would be call ahead. You can provide us the information over the phone. If you are out shopping about, just stop by. It's a quick process.
I was going to say, you mentioned it's a couple of minutes, right? So you guys have this down to a science by now.
Yes, ma'am. It's just a matter of plugging your information into the computer and letting the system do the work for us.
And you kind of mentioned at the beginning it's flu season, right?
Yes.
So let's talk real quick. I know you guys provide flu shots. It's mid-November. Should people still be getting those? Can they still hop into a Discount Drug Mart?
People should absolutely continue to get them. I just looked at the website for the Ohio Department of Health. Over the past 5 years, flu season peaks here in Ohio in about January. So you still have a couple of months before we hit that peak season.
And you want it at least maybe a week or so before the peak, right? To
Absolutely.
kind of let it go into work. So, okay, Discount Drug Mart, you can go to their website, find the location near you, of course, help with Medicare, as well as your flu shot. So, Jason, thanks.
Thank you, Robin.